In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple organization in Zoho People. This is helpful when you manage more than one business, branch, or separate company account, and you want to keep each organization's information organized in its own space. Zoho People lets you create additional organizations and then switch between them quickly, without needing to sign out each time. To begin, make sure you are logged in to Zoho People and you are on the main screen. Look at the top right corner of the page. You will see your profile image there. Go ahead and click your profile image to open the account menu. This menu is where Zoho People keeps the organization options tied to your user account. In the menu, select Manage Organizations. This will take you to an area where you can view the organizations you already have access to and where you can add a new one. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place before moving forward, especially if you work in an account with multiple admins. Next, choose Add Organization. Zoho People will open a form where you can enter the new organization's details. Type the organization name first, then fill in the rest of the information requested on the screen, such as basic company details. Enter the details carefully, because the organization name is what you will see later when you switch between organizations. Using clear, distinct names can save time and reduce confusion, especially when organizations are similar. Once everything looks correct, click Create. After you create the organization, Zoho People will add it to your list of available organizations. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to update and make sure the creation process completed successfully. Now that you have multiple organizations set up, you can switch between them anytime using the same profile image menu in the top right. Click your profile image again, find the organization list, and select the organization you want to work in. Always glance at the organization name after switching so you know you are making changes in the right place. That covers everything you need to know.